Sir, shoutout ka muna. Hi guys, I'm with Sir Nathan of
Hello.
Honda Brio Club Philippines.
Hello. Shout out sa mga Brio Club and thanks to Jones.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
you.
Good to see you again, sir.
Good to see you again.
Thank you. Ingat, sir. Guys, Joms TV Media, we're here sa Downshift here in Marikina. And of course, shoutout talaga sa Downshift because of Gulf Oil. Si Sir Denet, of course. Maraming salamat. Ayan, nag-change oil tayo kasi na-schedule na tayo for change oil at ilang 98,000.
Send ko yung page ko ngayon.
Yan. So kung kailangan nyo ng change oil, any services for your car, check out Downshift dito. If you're in the area, malapit kayo sa Marikina, you could check it out dito sa Marikina. Downshift. Hanapin nyo lang si Boss Gab. Alagaan nyo yung inyong sasakyan. Dito, any brand pwede. Any type of car from diesel to gas. They also do performance. For example, katulad nitong kotse na to, itong Honda Civic, I believe papalitan yata ng makina to. Basta any performance na kailangan nyo, you could check it out dito sa Downshift. Guys, kung natatandaan nyo, yung feature nating Cravings to Go, ito, nandito na ngayon sa may Aquamarine. So, kung dun sa mga naghahanap ng Cravings, it's located here at Aquamarine Street in Marikina. Tapos sa may Downshift. Ayan. Sa Downshift. At of course, andito yung mga owners, ng mga idol nating owners. Of course, Sir Carlo of Downshift, Sir Nico, and of course, Sir Charles of Cravings to Go. Ayan. O kung matatandaan yung Sir Charles, ayun yung feature natin, yung kotse niya. Nandun tayo sa, anong street yun, Sir? Brasset. Ayun. Andito na siya ngayon sa Aquamarine. Katabi lang ng Downshift. So kung gusto niyo naman magpagawa, General PMS, under chassis, basta kahit anong mga para sa kotse, check out Downshift here at Aquamarine in Marikina City. Alright? Yun. Well, guys, thank you. Downshift. Thank you very much, sir. Have a great weekend. God bless. Maraming salamat. Like and subscribe, guys. Yep. Thank you. Kalimutan ko na.